In how many ways? You want these exceptionally high quality content, you have to pay for it. You have to pay for it, right? 100 factorial can be written as a product of two coprimes. 100 factorial is written it as a into b, right, where HCF of a comma b equivalent to 1. A comma b equivalent to 1. First one, answer, if it is an ordered pair. If it is an ordered pair, it is nothing but 2 power p. What is p? P is nothing but count of prime bases. P is nothing but count of prime bases. Count of prime bases. From 1 to 100, there will be 25 prime numbers. From 1 to 100, there will be 25 prime numbers. So answer is 2 power 25. Answer is 2 power 25 if it is an ordered pair. If it is an unordered pair, if it is an unordered pair, half into 2 power p. These is nothing but 2 power 24. These is nothing but 2 power 24. I hope the idea is clear to you. Ordered pair and an unordered pair. Ordered pair is 2 power p. Unordered pair is half into 2 power p. Half into 2 power p. Ordered pair is 2 power p. Unordered pair is half into 2 power p. From 1 to 100, there are 25 prime bases. Why we are doing? P is the count of the prime bases. So answer is, right, half of 2 power 24. Right? Now, Nagaraj, there is a helpline number present. Please save that number and WhatsApp. Yes, we have a CMAT course. Please WhatsApp that number. At the end of the class, I will discuss. At the end of the class, I will discuss better. Not right now. Not right now. Allow me to complete the concepts. I am a teacher to you. So what you expect from a teacher is to teach you quality content. That is what I do it. That's what I do it. That's what I do it. Today there is a marathon session. Tomorrow there is a marathon session. Hopefully by this month end. Similarly, the way that we have utilized our lockdown time, if the lockdown gets extended, I will be taking the class like this. All my enrolled students, please do not worry about aptitude. Leave it to me. It is my responsibility to make you, right, reach 1%. Of course, with a condition. My methods will work only if you work. You cannot be lazy and just listen to the class and think that you have understood. Right? If you do your best, God will take care of rest. That is an old saying. Anil Nair wants to rephrase it. If you don't do your best, God will take rest. I repeat, if you do your best, God will take care of rest is an old line. New line is, if you don't do your best, God will take rest. Even as a founder of a company, as a CEO of a company with a family, right, I can spend 6 to 8 hours because that's the time I utilize myself. I can sit and read a novel and complete it. I can sit and develop questions till night 1 o'clock. I don't find any reason why you should not do it. Right? I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat before we go into the next concept. Next concept, please write down. I want students to reply, are you all enjoying these marathon classes? Kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat. Ours is only one of the YouTube channels where the channel will be absolutely very serious focus on academics. No faltu live chats, no entertainments in the class, right? No discussion other than academics once I start it. Everybody kindly reply in the live class. Reply whether you are enjoying the class, whether everything is clear to you, so that I will get into the next concept. I will get into the next concept. Everybody kindly reply. Now listen carefully. Concept. First we will discuss the concept, then we will solve the problem. Concept. Now see here, concept. Suppose 12 is there. Till now, in all the 4 sessions, number is there, and we have to find out the factors of that number. Now I am doing the reverse. Factors will be given, we have to find out the number. Little advanced level, kindly listen to the class carefully. Factors of 12 are 2 examples I will solve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now see here. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. The factors are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. These are nothing but 3 into 2, which is 6 factors. Now if you see here, if this is 3, what is the power? Power is nothing but 2. From where we got 3, 0 to 2 is 3. That means if the factors is given, if this is 3, power will be 2. If this is 2, from where we got 2, 0 to 1 is 2. So the power will be 1. Am I right? Power will be 1. That means, can I say, if a number has got 7 factors, 7 can be written as 1 into 7. If this is 1, that means power will be 0. If this is 7, can I say the power will be 6? Are you all with me? 0 means 1. 0 to 6 is 7. Am I right? I hope this concept is clear. If the number of factors are given, if it is 3 into 2, 3 means power will be 2. If this is 2, the power will be 1. Am I right? I will do some examples, then I will come to the question. I will not solve any question without making you understand the concept. Now see here. Concept. Example 1. If the number is a prime number. Example 2. The number is a composite number. If it is 5. 5 can only be written as 1 into 5. Because prime number has got only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. 1 means P1 power 0. That means, can I say, if a number has got 5 factors, that number will be of the form P1 power 4. P1 is a prime number. Whether it is P1 or P2, it makes no difference. P1 is a prime number. I hope it is clear. What will be that numbers? Number is nothing. Why 5 factors we got? It can be P1 power 0, P1 power 1 and so on up to P1 power 4. 0 to 4 is 5 factors. If the number has got 5 factors, one can be eliminated because it will become P2 power 0. 5 means power will be 4. Why it will be 1 less than? Because 0 to 4 is nothing but 5. 0 to 4 is nothing but 5. That means if a number has got 5 factors, the number form will be P1 power 4. What is P1? It is a prime number. That can means it can be 2 power 4, it can be 3 power 4, it can be 5 power 4, it can be 7 power 4 and so on. I hope it is clear. Some more examples. If 5 factors are there, there could be n number of numbers where 5 factors are there. N number of numbers where there are 5 factors are there. One more example. If a number has got 11 factors, how to find the number and write down the list of numbers that are possible. 11 factors is 1 into 11. 1 is omitted. 11 means it can be P1 power 10. P1 is nothing but a prime number. P1 is nothing but a prime number. Any natural number can be written as a power of prime basis. So what will be the various numbers? In case if I want to list the numbers, lowest prime number is 2. 2 power 10, 3 power 10, 5 power 10, 7 power 10 and so on. 2 power 10 factors will be 2 power 0 to 2 power 10. 3 power 10 factors will be 0 to 10. 5 power 10 factors will be 0 to 10. 7 power 10 factors will be 0 to 10. I hope it is clear. We took whether the number is a prime number. Now let me take a composite number. 2 examples I will take a composite. This value is a prime number. Now I will take a composite number. Now listen carefully. Example 2. Till I complete the example, don't write it. 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10. This number I took is a prime number. Now I will take a composite number. Now I will take a composite number. Now listen carefully. Another example. Then you can solve these examples clearly. A number has got 6 factors. A number has got 6 factors. It is a composite number. First write down as a product of numbers till every number is a prime number. 1 into 6 is one number. It can be further decomposed. 2 into 3. 6 means it will become P1 power 0 into P2 power 5. These anyway 1. What is P2? P2 or P1? They are all prime numbers. They are all prime numbers. They are all prime numbers. 2 into 3. This is nothing but P1 power 1 into P2 power 3. 2. Am I right? P1 power 1 into P2 power 2. In ordered pair, I can also write it as 3 into 2. This can also be P1 power 2 into P2 power 1. We will list the values of the prime numbers depending upon the question. First thing, if the number of factors are given, decompose this number, decompose it till every number is a prime number. Decompose it till every number is a prime number. Please write down this point. 6 is a composite number. Decompose it till every number is a prime number. 1 into 6 one way, 2 into 3 another way. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. Stop here. Because it is ordered, I can write it reverse also. Unordered, you don't need to write the reverse. Decompose the number given till every number is a prime number. Decompose the number till every number is a prime number. Decompose the number till every number is a prime number. Further, some more examples. More and more examples you solve, the more and more clarity you will get. Then once I ask you, is it clear? Once you say yes, then I will go to the problem solving. Next one. Number has got 12 factors. Number has got 12 factors. 12 factors. What is the concept we discussed? Decompose it till every number is a prime number. Decompose it till every number is a prime number. So 1 into 12 is one way, yes. 2 into 6 is another way, yes. 3 into 4 is another way, yes. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 4 can be decomposed. Decompose it till every number is a prime number. So it is not mandatory that you have to write the number as a product of 2. It can be till 3 or 4. 3 is a prime. 2 is a prime. 2 is a prime. 2 is a prime. 12 means the first number could be P1 power 11. Are you all with me? 2 into 6. 2 means power will be 1. 6 means power should be 5. power should be 5. 3 means power should be 2. 4 means power should be 3. If it is 3, power will be 2. It is 2, power will be 1. If it is 3, power will be 1. I hope this concept is clear to you. 12 factors are there. If he asks a question, how many maximum prime bases it can take? Maximum prime bases it can take is 3. What is the lowest prime base it can take? 1. So it is nothing but 1 into 12. 12 means P1 power 11. 2 into 6. P1 power 1 into P2 power 5. 3 into 4 is, answer is 3, power should be 2. Answer is 4, power should be 3. 3 into 2 into 2. 3, power will be 2. 2, the power will be 1. 2, the power will be 1. In all the classes, number we found out factors. Now we will do the reverse. Factors we can find the numbers. Factors we can find the numbers. One more example I will solve. One more example I will solve so that it will be clear to you. Right? Now next example. Next example. N is 100. How many? A number has got 100 factors. A number has got 100 factors. How many maximum, minimum prime bases it can take? How many maximum or minimum prime bases it can take? Second question. How many maximum or a minimum prime bases it can take? So 100. 100 is nothing but 1 into 100. 2 into 50. 50 can be further decomposed. 2 into 25. 25 can be further decomposed. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Decompose it till every number is a prime number. 2 means P1 power 1. 2 means P2 power 1. 5 means P3 power 4. 5 means P4 power 4. How many maximum prime bases it can take? 4. How many minimum prime bases it can take? 1. I hope this question is clear to you. 100 is 1 into 100. 1 into 100 is 2 into 50. 50 is 2 into 25. 25 is 5 into 5. Total I can decompose it into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. If it is 2, power will be 1. If it is 2, power will be 1. If it is 5, power will be 4. If it is 5, power will be 4. Totally how many prime bases are there? Prime bases are nothing but, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will conclude after one more example. 100 is nothing but, now see here. Praveen, 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. What is the sum of the prime bases? 2 plus 2, it is 4. How many I got? 4. Let us check whether it is right or wrong. I just did the sum of the powers. Sum of the powers is nothing but the maximum prime bases. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Whether it is right or wrong. Is this question clear to you? Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Is this clear to you? I want every student to reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you, so that I will get into the next concept. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Kindly reply if this is clear to you. One more example. One more example. N is 72. 72 is 2 power 3 into 3 square. Maximum number of prime bases it can take. Maximum number of prime bases it can take. How much? 72 is 8 into 9. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Into 9 is 3 into 3. 2 is nothing but P1 power 1. 2 is P2 power 1. 2 is P3 power 1. 3 is P2 power, P4 power 2. This is P5 power 2. So how many prime bases are there? This is total 5 prime bases are there, which is nothing but 3 plus 2. Please write down. It is the sum of the, it is nothing but the sum of the power of prime bases. It is nothing but the sum of the power of prime bases. Sum of the power of prime bases. What is this concept for? This concept is for maximum number of prime bases. Maximum number of prime bases. To determine the maximum number of prime bases, just add the sum of prime bases. See, whatever I am teaching you, I know about the kind of difficulties students will face. Just listening to the class once, you will understand everything. You have to watch the video again as early as possible. We will try to keep all the videos with an editing in the next 2 days of time. You can check it out in the ANC YouTube live class videos. Right? You cannot download that videos. We are using adaptive streaming with RS-232 interface. Right? Unlike the previous videos where link is provided. That anyways we are going to remove it. Right? Watch the video again and again. Do not think that listening to the class once it will be clear to you. Don't think that you belong to that 1% of the students who understands everything and one time listening is enough. If you think like that, ego might creep in, and when you need it, if you forget it, you will be at a loss. I sincerely recommend each one of you, those who are watching my videos, to be a part of my course. Why? Because that course will add tremendous value to you, sir. I hope it is clear. Right. Now, one more question. N equivalent to 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 cube. N equivalent to 60 square. N equivalent to 81 power 4. All these questions, find the maximum. All these number has got factors. This is not the number. A number has got this many factors. A number has got this many factors. If a number has this many factors, please find the maximum number of prime bases. Maximum number of prime bases. Find the maximum number of prime bases. What will be the answer for first one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Maximum number of prime bases. First one answer is 4. First one answer is 4. Second one, 60 is 2 square into 3 into 5 whole square, which is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Second one answer is 3. Second one answer is 3. Third one answer is 1 prime base. 1 prime base because it is 3 power 16. 1 prime base. Sorry, it is 17. It is 4 plus 2 plus 2. Second one answer is 8. I did a mistake. These are all factors. These are all factors. These are not 4. This is 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. I made a mistake. Calculation mistake. Please take care. Maximum number of prime bases is nothing but the sum of the powers. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8. These is nothing but 16. These is nothing but 16. I hope it is clear. Idea clear? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 16. Everything clear, right? Shall I go to the problems? Kindly reply. Shall I go to the problems? Shall I go to the problems? Shall I go to the problems? Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Shall I go to the problems? Any doubts? Any doubts? From basics to only on LCM we did 10 hours. Only on highest power we did 8 to 10 hours. Only on factors and multiples we did 10 hours. Only on reminders we did 12 hours. If you are learning all concepts and if you are practicing it, why you will not clear the exam in the first attempt? Why you will not get a call in IIMs? If you got a dream, you have to work towards your dream. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve two questions. Now see here. A number has got, first question. A number has got exactly 4 factors. A number has got exactly 4 factors. If it has 4 factors, it is 1 into 4 or next is 2 into 2. In how many ways can you express the number? In how many ways can you express the number as a product of prime bases? This is P1 power 3. This is P1 power 3. This is P1 power 3. This is P1 power 1 into P2 power 1. So in how many ways can you write? 2 ways. In how many ways? It is 2 ways. How many ways? It is 2 ways. Right? I hope it is clear. Right? Enrolled students, kindly watch this video again. I will tell my editing team, Monday entire team is on off. Last 12 days, most of my employees are working from office. Most of my employees are staying in the guest room of office. Most of my employees are working for minimum 10 to 12 hours preparing PPTs and doing other works. Right? So Monday there will be no class. Today there will be 5 sessions and Monday, tomorrow also there will be 5 sessions. Monday, there is a Malayalam New Year which is going to come, so I need to spend time with my family. Pramod, I think in case if you are an enrolled students, watch the video once again. Next one, write down this question. A number has got 24 factors. Already we discussed. 24 is 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 4 into 6, 2 into 2, into 2 into 3. These are all the cases. So 24 is P1 power 23. This is P1 power 1 into P2 power 11, right? Into P2 power 11. This is P1 square into P2 power 7. 4 is P1 power 3 into P2 power 5. This is P1 power 1 into P4 power 2. P2 power 1, P3 power 1. One way, second way, third way, fourth way, fifth way. You can write it down in 5 ways. Ramesh, I will see the previous question and I will understand your doubt. Let me complete it. P1 power 23. P1 power 1 into P2 power 11. P1 power 2 into P2 power 7. P1 power 3 into P2 power 5. P1 power 1 and so on. Total 5 ways are there. I hope it is clear. Ramesh asks a question. Ramesh, where is the doubt here? 4 is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 4 is the number of factors. Already we discussed when the number of factors are a prime number and a composite number. You got confused. 4 is the number of factors. Right? I don't know what is going on in your mind, right? Number of factors, 0 to 3 is 4, 0 to 1 is 2, 0 to 1. I think you got confused. I hope it is clear. Next one, please write down, sir. A number has 288 factors. 288 factors. 288 is 144 into 2. This is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 2, which is 2 power 5 into 3 power 2. Maximum number of prime factors. It is nothing but 5 plus 2. Answer is 7. Answer is 7. Right? Answer is 7. Answer is 7. This is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. What is the maximum number of prime factors? Answer is 7. Already we did it. Right? Already we did it. Karthik, you are getting confused. You are getting confused. Now see. Is written as the product of powers of prime numbers. P1 power 3, 2 power 3. It is written as a power of a prime number. 3 power 3. Here P1 and P2 are prime numbers. Prime numbers. I am writing this to generate this form. It is not that this number. This is not the number. This is the factor. 2 power 3, 3 power 3, 5 power 3. You are thinking that the number is written as power of product of prime numbers. This is not number. This is factor. That is what I said, Ramesh. That is not the number. Number is not written as a power of product of prime numbers. Factors has to be converted. 4 represents factor. I hope it is clear. Answer is 5 plus 2, 7. Now, next level, it is an advanced level. Advanced level, which will be our next session. Please see all the questions. What are the concepts that we discussed? Concepts which we discussed is, I will repeat the question, then I will take up the next level of questions in the next class. What are the concepts that we discussed? We discussed sum of the factors which are perfect squares, sum of the factors which are non-perfect squares, total minus this one. Then we discussed sum of the reciprocal of the factors. 1 minute, I think Ramya is telling the number what I took, number is 288. 288 is, answer is 9. 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 9 is 288. How you got 9? Ramya, how you got 9? Maximum number of prime bases is P1 power and so on up to P5 power 1 into P6 power 2 into P7 power 2. Ramya, it is 7 only, not 9. Right? You can WhatsApp me, WhatsApp our official number, you get a doubt. Sum of the reciprocals. Then we discussed sum of the reciprocals which are perfect squares. Right? This we discussed. Perfect cubes. These also we discussed. See the previous questions. Number is given, how to find out the maximum number of prime bases. How to find out the factors. How to find out? Product of two coprimes in ordered pair, it is 2 power p. Unordered pair, it is half of 2 power p. Right? Ordered pair. Relative prime numbers. All these concepts which we discussed. Now we will start our class. We will start our class with this question. With this question, I think beautiful questions are there in the next class, sir. 8 factors, 15 factors, right? Smallest number, n square related problems, perfect cube related problems. Factors for n square is given n and n cube, 16n, n has 20 factors, n has 4 factors. Factors for factors, all the varieties. Product of the factors, Srikanth, that's exactly the reason I stopped you there. Now see here, in product of factors, this is the question which you asked, Srikanth.